All right, elites, welcome back again. If you are here, that means you are interested in making some passive income. So the boom of cryptocurrency has been so rowdy these days. But the problem is people just do anyhow coin they see. So I have taken time to carry out my research to check some coins that are legit, not just legit, but really going to pay off. So let's start with this coin today. We're going to talk about CEX.io, CEX.io. So this exchange is a centralized exchange. So CEX.io is a centralized exchange. So they are giving people opportunity to earn their native token that will be used on their blockchain. So this is you farm this CEX token because it's going to be launched very soon. So you should jump on this. You should take opportunity, and I'm going to show you how to maximize your profit in a very short period of time. So when you click on start, it will now ask you to start the app. You start the app. So you click on start. So when you click on start, you see, it will first of all ask you to input your email. So if you don't put your email, you are not going to be allowed to register. So you first of all type your Gmail or any email. When you now put your email, you click continue, and it will take you down here. Now listen to me. When you come to this place, first of all, look at this place where you see time counting. Now, this time that you are seeing counting means that every 1 minute, you are going to be given 10 opportunity to click. And then the highest coin you've seen here, it ranged from 0 to 10. So the highest coin that shows here, before this countdown finish, you claim it. For example, if I click the first one, it gives me 2.33. I don't like it. I'll click again, 4.43. I don't like it. I click again, it gives me 9 point. I claim it. Now, I have claimed 9.43. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Now, each 1 minute, you are given 10 opportunity to claim a coin. Now, when you click this place the first time, you see it is 3.97 CEX-P. Now, if you claim it, the opportunity is gone. But maybe you click it again. This time around, it goes high. It can go high and come down. You click it again, it's less. Now 1.90. Should you claim it? I try again. 2 point. See, they are now low. I click again, 0 point. I click again, 1 point. I click again. I click again. You see, I click the last opportunity, 8. I claim it. You see? So the opportunity you have each minute is 10. So during this counting, let me also show you how to earn more. How to earn more is you go and perform some tasks. Now see, look at this task. I'm going to tell you something about this exchange. This particular mining. You should take it very serious, because as they are going to launch, you are going to claim those coins that you are mining now, and then you exchange it for real dollar or USDT. So if you check here, you see complete mission and commission. So you've seen the first one here. You've seen here, register in CEX.io app and then reward in 5 days. So this first task is for you to go and download their app and register. And then they will use their email that you input there, and then when they check it after 5 days to check that you have really downloaded the app and register before they can reward you. So when you click on start, you now click on go. It will take you to where you will possibly download or register for the app. So you see, it's going to take me now to Play Store. It will now take me to Play Store to download the app. Now, because I have downloaded the app already, I will click open. I have downloaded this is the app. So in that 5 days, they will check if you have registered. And then if you have registered, they will now award you with 10,000 unit of the SEX.io coin. So let me go back because I have already registered. So I'm going back. See, if you check their app now, you use it to buy crypto and sell crypto. So don't joke with this opportunity. This coin is going to go high. So I go back now because I've performed that task already. Now this place, let me explain this place for you because many people are making mistake. You see the link that they say invite one friend and get 5,000 SEXP. This one is invite 5 friends and get 15,000 SEXP. If you send this link or 5 friends to somebody, you will not collect even 1 SEXP. You will not collect any one of the coin until 5 of your friends click that particular link to join. So if you have only 1 friend in mind, just click this one and you get the coin. So if you know that you can make it up to 5 friends, you go for this one. So, but there are other better tasks, easier tasks that you can do here and then you get the coin. Like this one now, if you subscribe to their Telegram channel, you get 3,000 coins. So let me do that. See, I go there and then it takes me to their channel and I do what? I join their channel. If you check their channel too, you will see what they say. We are thrilled to announce that our SEX.io Power Tap Mine game now has 750,000 tappers. Have you seen? 750,000 tappers. So it is still early. They are hoping to get into millions. So take this opportunity now. So congratulations to everyone. To celebrate, we are giving away 1,000 free tappers to all participants. You see, so they will give 1,000 tappers to all participants. So join now so that if you also get this 1,000 free coin. So let it go back. Now, because I have joined your Telegram group, I will have to click on check. And then it has checked that I have done that mission, and then I will claim 3,000 coin. You see, I've been given 3,000 coin. So that is how to do some tasks and get the coin. Another one is here, you follow their Twitter account. That is the X account. You go to X and then you come here, you see this thing, you follow. So I'm following them, and then when you follow their coin, you see the same message goes here. That means it's the official 750,000 tappers. Congratulations to everybody. So you see, that means they are growing fast. So get the opportunity now. They are a centralized exchange. So because they are coming new, they want to give people opportunity to earn coin. So I will now check because I have followed them. I will now click on check. Most time when you click on check immediately, it doesn't claim the coin immediately. So you keep clicking or you wait. Later on, you can come when they confirm. So guys, perform all these tasks here. Perform all these tasks here and get coin. You see, there are so many coin to get. So you see this one, 1,000. You see this one, 1,000. 500, 1,000. So just perform each of this this thing, and then you get the coin. Now, another way to earn in this app, let me show you, is you come to this place. Have you seen this place? Farm. Click on farm. Now, when you start farming, you will be given 4 hours. So every 4 hours, you come to this place and claim, I think it's about 50 or thereabout coin in 4 hours. So you come to this place and then you claim your sex SP. So when it's 4 hours, you now come and click claim. So you see here where you see squad. So the squad means the people that you have invited. You see, I still have an opportunity to tap here. Let me tap 7 points. Should I claim? Should I try again? Let me try again. 9. Wow. See, I try my log again. I get 9.41 and I claim it. So this is how to claim this coin. So also I have shown you best ways to claim some coin like TapSwap, which is launching very soon. Also, I have shown you some other coin for you to check. Just check on this channel and you are going to get other updates. So every time I bring you update, and then you earn some income. So please follow, like and comment on my channel so that it's a boost for me to do more for you. Thank you.